Best sandwich maker grill and toast. Number 5. Borosil BSM 70ND G13 700 watt 2 slice sandwich maker. Approx price 1240 rupees. Power 700 watts. Non-stick grilling plate. Heating plate open to 90 degree for easy access. Thermal fuse for extra safety. Automatic temperature control. Power and ready indicator. Anti-skid legs. Number 4. Bajaj SWX 4 Deluxe 800 watt 2 slice grill toaster. Approx price 1429 rupees. Power 800 watts. Non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Stands upright for compact storage. Buckle clips on handle. Power on and ready to cook neon indicators. 2 slice grill toaster. Number 3. Concord sandwich maker grill 1000 watts. Approx price 1589 rupees. 2 slice sandwich grill 1000 watts. Open 180 degrees as open grill with oil drip tray. Cool touch safe handle. Plate size 23.1 by 14.6 cm. Number 2. Cello Super Club Toast N Grill Plus Sandwich Maker. Approx price 1049 rupees. Non-stick heating plate for oil-free toasting. Heat-resistant backlight body. Durable die-cast aluminum with sleek black finish. Toast sandwich and grill sandwich maker. Light up indicators. Number 1. Prestige PGM F8 800 watt grill sandwich toaster with fixed grill plates. Approx price 1196 rupees. Fixed grill plates. Non-stick heating plate. Elegant black finish body. 800 watts power. 1 year warranty. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.